This new Hermes agent update is actually wild. And if you watch AI content regularly, you've probably already seen a few videos about it. But here's the thing nobody is telling you. The people who are actually going to make money from tools like this are not the ones just using them. They're the ones selling digital products using AI tools like Hermes Agent to do the heavy lifting for them. And right now with this update, there is a very specific window of time where you could be the person building that automated business. And I'm going to show you exactly how. My name is Fred. I build digital products with AI and I teach other people to do the same. My record is over $5,000 in cash collected, hitting my bank account in 48 hours selling digital products with AI. There's no inventory, no product, no boss. All I do is use AI tools. And technically it was $7,000 because a payment failed, which I recovered the money later. So Hermes is an open source AI agent, meaning it's free to use, you run it from your computer, and you can plug in almost any AI model you want. It's not locked to one company. It has memory, so it actually remembers your past conversations instead of starting from scratch every single time. And it keeps adding new capabilities through what they call skills. The new version, 0.16, just added a desktop app for Mac, Windows, and Linux. It's one-click install. You don't need to know how to code. I don't know how to code. You can now manage everything, your AI models, your skills, your scheduled tasks from one clean dashboard. They also just added 2 free AI models you can use inside it without needing to set up any API keys. One from NVIDIA called Nemotron 3 Ultra and another called Step 3.7 Flash. They're free available right now. And the skill system, meaning the add-ons you can install to give the agent new abilities, just became way easier to use. You can browse skills from multiple sources, scan them for safety before installing, and add them with one click. You can even set up voice control, so you literally talk to this agent out loud and it does things on your computer, like opening websites, scheduling calendar events, running tasks. That part genuinely feels like something out of a movie. Now, here's what most people watching this are gonna do. They're gonna get excited, install it, mess around with it for about a week, and never make a single dollar from it. And look, I'm not saying that to be harsh. Actually, it's quite the opposite. I'm saying it because that's what happens when you treat a tool like a toy instead of treating it as the foundation of a proper business, which will make you a lot of money. Because the people who are actually making money right now with AI, they're not just using these tools for themselves, for fun, to ask ChatGPT a couple fun facts or write an email to their boss. They're packaging what they know or what AI can help them find into a course or a digital product and selling it to the people who want to learn. And if you want to see exactly how I built that kind of income stream, I made a completely free course that shows you the whole system step by step. The link is in the description below. And if you want me to personally look at your situation and help you figure out what you should be selling and how to build it, you can book a free one-on-one call with me. Now, I've got limited spots for that, I'm gonna be honest. Both links are in the description below. Now, let me tell you what the real opportunity actually is here, because most people completely miss it. Every time a new AI tool drops or gets a major update like this one, millions of people want to learn how to use it. They go to YouTube, they search Google, they look for courses, they look for someone to explain it to them in a way that actually makes sense. The demand is constant, it never stops. The same is true with like political news or financial stuff, crypto even. Whoever shows up first with clear, useful content and a course or product to sell, they're the ones who win. But here's the excuse I hear constantly. Fred, I don't know enough to teach anyone anything. I'm not an expert. And I want to address that directly because it's just not true anymore, not in 2026. AI completely destroys that excuse. You can use AI to research any topic in your niche, pull together the key knowledge, structure it into a course, write the scripts, generate the content, build the whole thing, and sell it, even if you didn't know anything about it a month ago. I know a guy who makes 20K per month teaching people how to get better at a video game. There's a woman I know as well who makes $30,000 a month teaching people how to organize their photos. Like seriously, photo organization. You think she has a PhD in that? There are people selling courses on how to use Notion, how to write better emails, how to start a podcast, how to use Hermes Agent. The barrier to entry has never been lower and the demand has never been higher. And with a tool like Hermes, You can now have an agent that can help you research your niche, outline your course, draft your content, even run automations while you sleep. The agent is not the product. The agent helps you build the product. Now, one thing I want to make clear, because I get this question all the time, you don't have to show your face to do this. You don't ever have to be on camera if that makes you uncomfortable. There's two ways to build this kind of digital product business right now. The first is the traditional way with a personal brand, meaning you show up and you talk on camera like I'm doing right now. This is not an AI, it's me. You build trust directly with your audience, and that's really powerful. It works really, really well because people like to buy from people they feel like they know and trust. The second way is to do it fully faceless. You use an AI avatar, something like HeyGen, combined with an AI voice clone through something like 11 Labs, and you create videos that look and sound completely professional. All of that without ever sitting in front of a camera. The competitor you see making 10 videos per day, all of that is automated. And people are still watching, people are still buying. Both models work. The question is simply which one fits your situation better, which one do you want to start? So when you look at an update like this Hermes one, the question you should be asking is not, how do I set this up for myself? The real question is, who's gonna pay me to teach them how to set this up? And I'm saying this, but this could be in any niche. Fitness, personal finance, crypto, like tons of different things. These audiences exist right now. They're out there watching videos exactly like this one. They're overwhelmed. They want someone to simplify it for them and walk them through it step by step. That someone could be you, and you could be getting paid a lot of money for it. AI can help you become that person, even if you feel like you're still learning everything yourself. Look, if you've made it this far in the video, you already know more than most people about where the real money is with AI. Most people are stuck chasing shiny objects. The money is not in using the tools, it's in building courses with the tools. That is the business model that works right now, and it's gonna keep working because AI is not about to slow down. I made a free course that shows you exactly how to build that kind of income stream with AI and digital products, step by step, click by click, so all you have to do is copy what I do, follow along. Most people would charge you thousands of dollars for this, but for you, I made it completely free. You can grab it in the description below. And if you want me to personally help you figure out your niche, your offer, your first steps, how to build a course, how to get traffic, how to get clients, how to close people, book a free call with me. I don't take that many calls, so spots go really fast. This is for serious people only. All the links are in the description below, and I will see you inside the course or on the call.